Hi everybody. A very good afternoon. I'm Justin Kapani, 1:45 by the watch. I'm Justin Kapani, the founder and CEO of Ambricon Design. It's been a while. I haven't posted and stuff. So I'm the founder and CEO of Ambricon Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions, and bring with myself an experience of more than 24 years in branding, marketing, PR, advertising, global communication, including design, retail, and architecture. And I'm an international award recipient, about three or four awards, and more than 16 or 18 certificates in the last 2 years. So, what am I emphasizing about? I'm emphasizing through my video on reading books, which is as good as doing cardio exercises and stuff. So, there's a lot of emphasis on physical appearance, there's a lot of emphasis on overall fitness, there's a lot of emphasis on outlook and positive disposition, and staying happy and staying cheerful and stuff. I mean, I'm sure everybody would like to be around people who are happy and joyful and stuff, than the rather grumpy ones and stuff. So the point is, if you are not on social media, and let's say you're a regular, and there are people I met yesterday at events, and I'd shared this before, that not everybody's on social media, which is Facebook. They're on LinkedIn, or they're on other work profiles, and other work related, networking, online forums and offline forums and stuff. So what is it that helps? So yesterday, as we were there in this forum, which is the largest of the country, I think, because this was the maximum number of people who showed up yesterday in Delhi, CII. So this was a great event, which was on MSME, and MSME being the backbone of the country, the role of different segments and industries and stuff. And it was very clear that education and learning and information matters the most. It came from the horse's mouth, which was His Excellency of one of the African countries and stuff. They had the same to share, that if you're going to be sitting in a forum like this and you're going to be a leader, you have to have education and acumen knowledge. So take pride in that and keep learning, and everything is what I'm adding to this. And there were different diverse opinions and perspectives given. So my thought on this, as I read now, because I'm off social media for a bit for whatever reasons and stuff, is to kind of use reading books as increasing your brain power. So as you're jogging, as you're exercising, as you're kind of disco dancing, you're in Zumba or whatever, you have a lot of new energy and a lot of new ideas coming in, and your body gets kind of streamlined, you become stronger, the survival skills get better and stuff. It's always a good idea to also read, because reading also enhances your cardiovascular systems, and reading regularly improves your memory by giving your brain a good workout, keeping your mind sharper. And a lot of people go on to social media not because they're addicted to it, but also because social media has some positive. I mean, not everything about social media is negative. The positives are, which I regularly share, is you learn about culture, you learn about fashion, you learn about trends, you learn about food, you learn about other countries, you learn about interesting personalities, you meet interesting people and stuff. So there's a lot happening online, and you meet so many celebrities. I mean, I've met so many people from other countries who are big time celebrities and leaders and stuff. And there's a connect happening, offline as well. I mean, that's something professional and personal. But the point is this, that yes, relationships on social media also are highly influenced or heightened by social media. But yes, of course, brands are built on social media, you know and presence online also helps a lot. But the point is, all the knowledge and all the intellect can only be useful if you improvise and learn and educate yourself more. I mean, if I were to make you sit on a bench with leaders or people from different countries, and you can't talk and you can't exchange thoughts and stuff, then that's a big question to your own acumen and to your own learning and stuff. And that's the purpose of education, to liberate us and to empower us and stuff. So try reading some books and stuff, and take a breather. I don't have my coffee here, but yes, of course, have lots of water and use the best time to read, because as you're also reading, it's going to help you kind of do away with the unnecessary noise of the world and stuff. So I was having a chat with an engineer 3 4 days back, in an art event, and we both agreed to this that you have a lot of noise and a lot of stuff shown to us, which is not even a part of our acumen or of any interest to us, and I mean, if it has to be information, it has to be qualitative, and it affects your outlook and disposition about anything and everything big time. And of course, social media can be addictive. I'm not saying it cannot be, but you can have all kinds of addictions. So the point is to regulate and to have self control, which is the most important. Read more books and force yourself to kind of have a healthier mental workout by reading. It works the best, okay? So love and luck and take care, have fun, have a blast, and also because books definitely add more value. Books give you a new perspective, books give you a new dimension, books kind of help you look at things differently. You may start questioning a lot of things, but that's the purpose of intellect and knowledge, that you have to question. And if you don't question, stuff remains the same. I mean, you're in your own outlook, or in your own comfort zone, or whatever little is known. So if you really want to empower yourself, you really want to grow as a person, you really want to be a master, you really want to be a genius, you really want to be a educated person, giving confidence to the world and stuff, you can only do this by improvising yourself, and it helps you, it helps you big time. So try reading and stuff. So I'm Justine Kapani, I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Recon Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. So the best bet is to become a member of, maybe a book club, or become a member of a library. Pick up some books. You get so many of them everywhere. Read, and the joy of reading should not be underestimated, because you may learn something new. You'll be recreating yourself and stuff, and as good as writing and verbal expression, books have some fantastic country insights, some fantastic personality insights, some fantastic information, which definitely helps you. And for the joy of Christmas and New Year, do discard and give away some books which are of no use to you and stuff, because that could come handy to a lot of people. Yeah, so love and luck and take care, have fun, and have a blast. I'm Justine Kapani. I'm on jkapani@gmail.com, justinekapani.im@gmail.com, and Justine Kapani office at gmail.com. I'm off social media for certain reasons and stuff, not because of anything personal or professional against anyone, just for whatever reasons and stuff. Okay, so love and luck and take care, and have fun and have a blast. Enjoy yourself and have fun. Yeah, bye bye.